Welcome! If you've ever wondered how to see the list of friends you've added on Snapchat, you're in the right place. Whether you're keeping track of new connections or just curious about your recent adds, this quick guide will walk you through the latest steps to view your Snapchat friends list as of 2025. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Snapchat app. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features. Once you're on the main screen, look for the chat icon. It's usually found at the bottom or side of the screen. Tap on it to open your chat section. This is where all your recent conversations and friend interactions are stored. At the top of the chat screen, you'll notice a friends icon. Tap on this icon to move to your full friends list. Here, you'll see everyone you're currently connected with on Snapchat. Now, to narrow it down to just the friends you've recently added, look for the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on these three dots to open a menu with more options. From the menu, select Friends I've recently added. This will bring up a list showing all the Snapchat users you've added most recently. You'll be able to scroll through and see exactly who you've connected with, making it easy to remember new friends or manage your contacts. That's it. With just a few taps, you can quickly check your recently added friends on Snapchat. This feature is perfect for keeping track of your newest connections or making sure you don't miss anyone. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with your friends so they can stay organized on Snapchat too. Thanks for tuning in and happy snapping!